So the next topic is degree of a polynomial. Polynomial with one variable. The degree of the polynomial is equal to the largest exponent of that variable. If that expression is having only one variable, then the degree of the polynomial will be the highest power of variable. Now 3x square plus 5x plus 3. In first term, the order of x is 2. In second term, the power is 1, and in third, nothing. So degree is 2. The highest exponent is 2. So the degree is 2. In second example, 2x plus 5. X is not having any power, so the degree will be 1. If nothing is there, it's 1. And in last example, 5 is a constant, so the degree of this expression will be 0. If only variable is there, then the degree will be 1. Now if there are more than one variables, then what we have to do? If more than one variable is there, then we have to compute the sum of the exponents of the variables present in the terms. Whichever variables are there, we have to add the power and we have to find out which is the largest value. For example, 3x square plus 5x square y cube plus xy. Here in the middle term, the power of x is 2, power of y is 3, so 2 plus 3 5, and in third term the sum of power is 2, so the highest power is 5, so the degree of this is 5. So on based of degree, polynomials are classified as linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic. Linear polynomial means its degree is 1. Quadratic polynomial means its degree is 2. Quadra means 2. So the highest degree will be 2. And cubic polynomial, here the highest degree will be 3. Like in this example, the x variable is having. Now let's see the examples of degrees of the polynomial. Now first example is 3x. Here x variable is having degree as power as 1, so the highest degree is 1. In the second example, in first term the power is 2, second term 1, and in third term 0. So the highest power is 2, so the degree will be 2. In the third example, in both the terms the highest power is 1, so the degree will be 1. In the next example, in the first term degree is 3. In the second term, two variables are there, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. In the third example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So both middle, third and first term is having 3 power, so degree will be 3. In the last example, let's see what are the degrees of each and every term. So the highest degree is 6. So the degree of this expression is 6. Now in this question we have to arrange the given polynomials in descending order of their degrees. The first question is 6x square plus 4x cube minus 7x raised to power 4 plus 3x plus 4. So the highest power is of third term, that is minus 7x raised to power 4. So we have written this term. Next is power 3, so 4x cube. So we have written this term, third term, we have written second term. Now next, after 3 we will be writing first term, that is plus 6x square. Then we will write 3x. Now only 2 terms are there, from that 3x will come first and then 4. So this is our answer. Let's see another example. The another example is 7x plus 8x raised to power 4 minus 8x square plus 4x raised to power 5 plus x cube plus 5. So I am writing them according to their degrees. So 4x raised to power 5 plus 8x raised to power